Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Siobhan Giovanni. We are walking downtown Boston, so you guys can see the views, you guys can see the sights during holiday season. Streets were packed, but I'm walking back to my car right now. Even during COVID season, people are still buying gifts, shopping, acting as if things aren't being affected. But I guess life goes on and we must continue on like normal human beings. So, can't blame people. I think during these times we need to remember that we need to humble ourselves and realize that the people that were struggling in the streets and we walked past them, we didn't care. Now it's almost as if we're like one of those people. So, just some food for thought. It's so cold. I pray for everybody that has to sleep in the streets tonight. I hope God watches over them, keeps them warm. I hope families are fed. Truly a learning lesson. Well, that's all I had to say, y'all. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. Stay safe, stay warm. All right, we out. Leave me later.